Hello guys, so today we have a new tutorial about showing you how you can render your wireframe modeling in the final rendering. So let's jump to Blender and I will show you how we can do this. So from here you can see we have the rendering section, and here we have the viewport section. And to activate the wireframe, we can go to this place and activate geometry wireframes. Second, we need to disable all those lines, because if you don't, they will appear in the final render. So it's easy to turn them off like this. And we need to make the light and the material show or appears like this. We can go here and go to float, and it's better to activate the shadow so you can see more details in on the viewport. And usually we go to render, but if you go to the render, he will render this side, or the rendering image, but we need to go to the viewport and viewport render image. And if we render it, we can see our rendering wireframe image. And you can also you can render your viewport render animation. So if you have an animation like this turning 360 or another animation, so you can go to viewports or view and viewport render animation, and you will have your I forget something. You need to set your destination so you can render your animation, and you can choose this one, and MP4, so you can have compatible type or encoding, so you can put it on any editing software easily without any problem. So thank you guys for watching the video, and we will meet in the future tutorials. See you next time, guys.